In this video, we're going to just draw the front axle. So I'm going to go insert, create new part studio, and then call it the front axle by right clicking on it. So if I right click on that, you can just rename it and then call it the front axle. Okay, so we're going to draw a front axle here. I accidentally opened. I'll just have to go create new part studio. I'll delete that one. I created the assembly by accident, so we'll just delete this one, and then we'll go and right click on part studio 2 and rename it and call it front axle. Okay, and then I'm going to sketch the front axle here, so I'll go and start creating on the top plane. I can create a rectangle that is going to be 15 high, 10 wide, so I'll just do the corner X. So sketch the top plane, and then I'm going to go and corner rectangle. I'm going to draw a corner rectangle here, and I'm going to make it 97 long. So let's make that one 100 long. So I'll click once and make it 100, enter, and then make it 10 mils wide, enter, and then I will extrude that 15 mils. So I'll go to the extrude, click here, and then instead of the 25 default extrude, I'll just make it 15, enter, and then I can sketch my gaps in it as well. So I'll go, let's make it not 15, let's make it 10. That looks better. And no, it is 15, sorry. I'll just make that 15, enter, and then I'm going to sketch on that. So I want to sketch on this side and then on that side as well. If you want to sketch this on the one side and mirror it, you just have to put a plane right in the middle of this. So what I can do is I can go to the plane tool and use an offset plane and use my right plane as an offset, and then just move it so that you got it in the middle there. So it was 97, so it will be 48.5, and that will be right in the center. And then I can sketch on this side and mirror it on the other side. So if I want to sketch on this plane, I'll quickly grab my sketch tool and click on that plane. Then I'll use my construction line, draw a line right through the middle, and then press escape, and then I'll draw a line down, and I'll make that line 6 mils from the side. So I'll do a construction line down there, and then I'll just go to my dimension tool and make that distance there 6.86, 6.86, enter. Now I've got a little guide where I can draw my I will use the center point rectangle, and I'll hover over here and I'll draw a center point rectangle there, and I need to make sure that it's on the line there. So I'll click on this. I'll make the height 9 mils. No, I'll make the width 6.86, and I'll make the height 9, and then I can extrude cut that right through. So what I'll do now is I'll give it, or I'll just go to my extrude tool, click on that rectangle, and instead of adding, I'll remove it and give it a green tick. Now I just need to drill a hole right through and maybe just fillet the ends. So let's fillet the ends. We'll fillet them by 0.5, all those corners. It's just nice to for the steering if you've got a roundabout there. and then we'll draw on the top of that. So we'll go to sketch, and on the top here I will draw the hole. So I'll go with 3mm hole there, and just to house my the pivot spindle that's going to hold the wheels. So I'll go draw a construction line again, and then go here, make the construction line about let's make it 4mm from the end, enter, and then a center line there. So I'll use the line, my construction line tool, hover over until you get the orange block, draw a center line there, get the pivot. Oh, I didn't. I'll just have to Control Z that. You have to switch off the construction, otherwise everything else that you sketch stays as construction line. So we'll make that 3mm, enter, and now I'm going to extrude that right through as well. So I'll grab the extrude tool, choose remove, and then I've got that there. So now I just want to mirror this to the other side. What I'll do is I'll go to the mirror tool, which is just this, and then I want to mirror feature, so it's going to be that, and then my mirror plane is going to be there, and then I'll just give it a green tick. I just want to see something's not Control Z. Maybe my center line my center mark's not right in the center. I'll just see if we go to mirror, maybe we'll just mirror a feature, and then the feature I want to mirror is that, and then my mirror plane is this side. No, I've chose the wrong mirror plane. It's this one, and somehow it's I maybe I'll just mirror, use the feature mirror tool, and I'll just mirror that feature. No, Control Z. Click on the inside, and that's the feature I want to mirror, and that's my mirror plane. Give it a green tick. Oh no, it doesn't like something. I don't think I'm on the center, so we'll just draw it on this side again quickly. So I'll click on that plane, sketch, and then I'll just sketch the whole part that I've sketched. So line, construction line, draw a center line there, press escape, draw a line that's 6.86 down, so construction line, draw a line first, a random length, grab the dimension tool, draw a line that's 6.86, enter. Now I've got the guide for my center point rectangle, so I'll just grab the center point rectangle and draw it there, and make my first measurement 6.86, enter. My second measurement 9, enter, and then I'll just extrude, cut that out. So I'll go to the extrude, and then remove, give it a green tick, and then I'll just have to drill the hole in the top again. So what I've did is, let's see if we can, no, it won't mirror that. So sketch the top plane there, construction line, the line tool, draw a line there, make it 4mm from the end, 4mm, enter, draw a center line, line tool, construction line tool, grab a center line, draw it across, escape, use this circle tool. I'm not on the center point there, circle, then make sure you're on the center point, make it 3mm, and then extrude, remove that. So I'll go and extrude, remove, give it a green tick. Now I've got that, and I just have to fill at the end. So here's my front axle done with spaces for the pivot axles to go through, and then I'll just have to draw one more part.